Hello everyone, thank you for attending this very early talk on the last day of the Odoo experience. As you can hear from my voice, it's been a very tough 3 days for me. I hope it's okay for you. I hope you enjoyed the Odoo experience so far. So my name is Geoffrey, I'm working for the marketing department here in Belgium. And today I'm going to introduce you one of the new tools of the V11, Odoo 11. It's the marketing automation tool. So I'm very excited to show that to you because that's something that we are using for ourselves at Odoo, and it will make all lives as marketeers easier, and you will see that any other department can also beneficiate from that new tool. So first of all, I will briefly explain what is marketing automation. Then I'll go straight to a 15 minutes demo, show you how it works, and then we'll go through the conclusion and the questions if there are any. Okay, what's marketing automation? So there are a lot of marketing automation tools on the market. Most of them have the same purpose, 95% of the time. It's a tool for marketeers to make their life easier. It's a tool that helps them to automate repetitive marketing tasks. Thanks to a marketing automation tool, they can save time and perform greater efficiency thanks to automation. Okay, for example, if a company has a flow of inbound leads coming every day in their CRM, they might need a marketing automation tool to send targeted campaign every day instead of sending them manually. Okay, so marketing automation tool serves that purpose 95% of the time. Okay, within Odoo, it's a little bit different. Thanks to the integration with all the apps within Odoo, actually, you can use the marketing automation tool to automate any task in your workflow in order to perform certain tasks at a great scale or save time. So it goes beyond marketing automation. We call that marketing automation because it's the name on the market, but it's more a business automation tool rather than a marketing automation tool. So this tool within Odoo is not just for marketeers. Anyone within your company can use it to automate their workflow and perform better. Whether you're an accountant, you're a consultant, customer support, event manager, you will see that you can use it to perform better and to automate your workflow. So just a few examples. So first one, you can use the marketing automation tool for its first usage, which is nurturing the leads and automate lead management, thanks to the integration with the Odoo CRM. Okay, so this is the basic usage of marketing automation tool. But you can use it also with the accounting app to automate your payment follow-up as an accountant. You can use it also to recover abandoned carts with promotion. So people on your e-commerce that started a checkout process and didn't go all the way through, you can trigger automatic messages to revive the buying process with promotions, for example. With the subscription tool, you can use marketing automation to automate all the subscription process, from the database notification to the renewal to any kind of subscription you can have within your tool, within your SaaS product. And for the events also, you can use marketing automation to automate registration confirmation, reminder, follow-up, etc., etc. You can use it also for projects, for timesheet, for app desk. It's a non-exhaustive list. Okay, so now let's go straight to the demo. Okay, so the marketing automation tool has a new tool. It has its own icon right here. So when I click on it, I can access my dashboard. Here on the dashboard, it's a classic Kanban view. I can see at a glance all my campaign, the new ones on the left, so not running yet, the ones that are running for the moment, and the completed or stopped campaign. On each of those campaigns, you have a few useful information, which is, for example, for this one, the total of people enrolled to the campaign, the ones that are running into the campaign at the moment, so they're within the campaign, didn't go all the way through, and the number of people who have completed the campaign, that pass every step of the campaign. So let's have a quick look at it. Okay, first thing you see is the visual interface of the workflow. It's very convenient. It's quite beautiful. Actually, you can envision in just one glance the whole customer journey. It's really convenient. You have some nice KPIs too. The number of emails that have been sent per day, the number of bounce email, and some useful KPI, percent of click, percent of replies. So it's really quite very nice. You can envision customer journey just at a glance. And now I'm going to show you how to create a new campaign from scratch. So what I want to do here, I want to create a classical lead nurturing campaign. I want every one of my new leads incoming into my system to receive, to be enrolled in an automatic campaign to receive leads. Second thing, I want as soon as they've shown an interest in the email I've sent, so if they reply to the email, for example, I want to assign those leads automatically to my salespeople. They've shown an interest, I just want to take advantage of that and assign it to my salespeople, okay? And at the end of the campaign, if my content hasn't triggered any interest, I want the lead to be marked as lost within the system, to be archived. So let's see how it works. So I create my campaign, here the name. So the target model here, actually, this is the beauty of Odoo. You have to select with what app you want to interact. Here I want to interact with my leads and opportunities, so it will be with the CRM. So I take my leads and opportunity. Next, with this very useful widget, I will be able to create the filters. So I will be able to select the people I want to enroll to this campaign. So here, I want to enroll my leads. So I will select type lead, which is here. Type is lead. As you can see, the records have updated automatically. So far, I have 16 people, but I can go further down into my filtering. I can select, for example, a specific country. So country name. I believe I have a few leads in my database that comes from Sweden. There you go, 10 records. I can go even further down and to exclude the people who are opt-out. So the opt-out are the people who requested not to be bothered by, with emails. Opt-out is false. Okay, 9 records. I can save it. And what's really nice is here I can, in just one click, see all the contacts that are enrolled into my campaign. It's very convenient to see if your filter match exactly what you want to do. You can easily group by country, for example. Okay, here I can see I have only leads from Sweden, which is what I want. So I think my, my filtering is correct. So let's get started. Let's create a first email. So let's say I want to welcome my new leads. With a nice first email. So here with my email template, if you're familiar with Odoo and Odoo mass mail, it works exactly the same way. You can create your template from scratch quite easily thanks to the building blocks, which are right here. Okay, you can customize your email very easily. Okay, this is my first email. And now I want to decide when I want to send this first email. I want to send this first email at the beginning of the campaign, so just 1 hour after the lead has been created within the system. Okay, and then I can save it. As you can see, the workflow has been updated. The first email is right here. There is no data yet because it's not running. But let's keep going. So what I said in my requirements, I want my lead to be assigned to a salesperson as soon as he has replied to the email. That's something you can do with the child activities right here. So you can select a behavior within the first email and trigger a second email based on that. So you can trigger by email open or not, email sent, replied or not, and clicked or not, even on the bounce one. So here, I'll say that, okay, if the lead has replied to my first email, I will assign it to a salesperson. How will I do that? Thanks to a server action, not an email. So there are two types of activities, email, server action. The server action is an automatic action that will be taken within the system based on my requirements. So here I have my list of server actions. I can here assign the lead to a salesperson, okay? And then I have to select as the first one the trigger. When do I want to assign the lead to the salesperson? I say just 1 hour after that the first email has been replied, and that email. I can save and close. Let's see how it looks like. Okay, as you can see, there is a sub-activity here based on the first email. Okay? I'll answer the question at the end of the talk. Okay? We can keep going. Actually, we can create a very complex workflow thanks to that, but for the sake of the exercise, I will keep it easy. So I will just create very quickly a second email, same as the first one, okay? I have another email here. I will select, let's say 3 days after the beginning of the campaign, okay? Save and close. Let's see how it looks like. Okay, as you can see, the second email is back to the usual workflow, okay? And then same thing, I will select a child activity and assign to a salesperson if he has replied. Save and close. And then, as said in my requirements, I want, if there is no activity, no interest whatsoever into my campaign, I want to automatically put the lead as lost. So let's do that. So let's say that I want my campaign to run for only 3 weeks. If after 3 weeks I couldn't convert the lead as an opportunity, I will mark it as lost. Select the server action, mark as lost. And there we are. We have our campaign here, okay? Now, how to test it? Before to launch it, we would like to test it, okay? It's quite easy to do. For the sake of the exercise, I will launch the test, but the first email will not be sent within the first hour, so nobody will receive it. I will just start the campaign, let's say. Start the campaign, nobody will receive it within the first hour. I will generate my participants, so which means my non-records here, I want them to be enrolled directly in the campaign. So usually there is a cron that runs into the system every hour, and every hour it will check, crawl all my leads. Every new one that matches the filter will be enrolled to the campaign. Here, for the sake of the exercise, I generate the cron manually, okay? And here what I can do, I will select one lead and perform the campaign and see how, what's the impact on the lead itself, okay? So I have a lead here, Fabian P. As you can see, the whole workflow is here. The emails are scheduled. What I can do, I can run the email directly as a test, okay? So I will do it for Fabian. So I will check in my leads. Fabian is here. Okay, as you can see, it's a lead without any useful information. There is the chatter right here. Let's see how it goes. So I will send the first email to Fabian. So system is processing. a little long.
Sending email to Bressan.
Yep. Okay, first email has been processed. Let's check into the leads if it has been received. Okay, as you can see, the first email has been sent. It's in the chatter right here. Okay, first email is working fine. I can check if I like the layout, if everything is working okay. Sounds good to me. Let's go further with the second email.
You're in test mode now, are you?
Yes. I can take whatever participant into my campaign and run a test. So for example, you can create a fake lead for yourself and run the campaign on yourself. Before to launch it in real time. It's a bit long.
Do you mind answering questions in between?
Okay.
Okay. Is it possible to trigger also, for instance, on clicks on the website?
No, we'll discuss about that later, but not based on that. Okay, second email has been sent. Let's check quickly. But next thing I want to show you, okay, second email is here. Okay, it's working fine. Let's check now the server actions. So here it's a lead. A lead means, into our jargon, yeah, it's not assigned to a salesperson. See, the field is empty here. So let's run the server action assigned to sales and see how it goes. So let's imagine that the email has been sent, the lead has replied to the email, and as a result, the lead will be assigned to a salesperson directly. Let's update the record. Okay, as you can see here, there is a notification. The salesperson demo user has received a notification. He has been assigned a lead. This one, as you can see, no. There is a salesperson assigned to that lead. Okay, so quite easily you can automate the sending of your the assignation of your leads to the salespeople. We are a little bit behind on time, but it works the same way with marking the lead as lost. You can schedule it or send it, and the lead will be marked as lost if there is no interaction whatsoever. Something I didn't mention, as soon as the lead is assigned to a salesperson, it will not match the source filter anymore. It will not be a type lead, but a type opportunity. So automatically, it will be taken out of the campaign. It will not receive any more leads, any more emails. Okay. Okay, so what I wanted to do, I want to enroll every new incoming lead to a specific campaign, which I did. I wanted to assign them to a salesperson if any action was taken, which I did also. Take out the lead of the campaign when converting into an up, which is the case, okay? Mark as lost if there is no reply at the end of the campaign. So as you can see, you can create a very basic, but you can go even further with the complexity of your workflow and in just a few clicks, okay? So as a conclusion, as I said, it's not really a marketing automation tool, but it's more powerful than that. It's more a business automation tool, okay? You can use it for any kind of workflow within your organization. Second thing, thanks to that tool, Odoo has a really efficient lead management system. If you're using several apps, so the website or the email marketing to generate leads, you have a good lead generation system. You have the lead scoring integration that can score your leads based on the quality of the leads. And now with the marketing automation tool, you can nurture your leads to assign the lead that are ready for sales. So as a lead management perspective, this is a very nice tool that we're using at Odoo, and it works perfectly. And third thing, thanks to the marketing automation tool, you can now centralize every one of your automated workflow If you add one, for example, into the help desk system, in the event management, in accounting as well, you can automate and centralize everything in a visual interface in the marketing automation tool. Okay, that's the end of my presentation. Are there any questions?
In terms of integration with, for example, we're using the Gmail suites in our company, and if I send an email to someone and I want it to be tracked in my system, in my CRM, in Odoo,
Yeah.
is it something that's working? Is it because at the end of the day, sometimes you want to have a timeline on one contact and have everything that happened with that contact, regardless of campaigns, or I mean everything in the same place.
Okay, so you're saying you're sending an email to one of your contacts
Through Gmail.
through Gmail.
Yeah. Is it then tracked in Odoo?
Better send your email from Odoo then.
Okay, so you need to send it.
Yeah, or you can send an email from your Gmail and use the tracking tools, so UTMs. Those are trackers code that are added to your link with a source, a medium, and a campaign. And with that, if the lead, if the contact becomes a lead, in the CRM it will be shown what the source of the contact. Okay? Yes?
You've obviously got the ability to branch after emails depending upon what people do in response to the emails. Do you have also the ability to branch after a server action depending on?
Yes, of course. So yes, the sub-activities can be branched from an email or a server action. It's the same behavior.
So how does what does the branching, I mean, in programming that would be if and if statement, right?
So
How does that look in terms of branching after a server action? Because there could be 5 or 6 different options as a result of the server action.
okay, I can show you quickly if this is what you mean. I had created a few others campaigns. So this one is based on subscription. Okay. So you can use that one to automate your subscription. So for example here, it's not there, but you can, for example, have a server action here, and based on that server action, another server action right after, which is not linked, for example, to any click or something. You just link to it, you say, okay, I want just to create a server action, and after that server action, regardless of the behavior, something like that, I'll create another server action. That's what you can do. So you can create a chain of server actions.
It's like a chain of if then statements.
Yeah. Okay. Other questions?
How do you qualify your leads if you don't record clicks?
What do you mean?
How do you qualify your leads? How do I know if somebody visits my webpage? I want to record it.
Sorry, can we close the door because I don't hear everything?
If you don't record where people are clicking on, suppose you have a lead and an identified person.
Yeah.
You place the cookies and know who it is.
Yeah.
And he starts to click on subjects, matters on your website.
Yeah.
Then you want to qualify based on these clicks.
Yeah.
And you want to use that to do an action. That's currently not possible.
So let's say that, for example, one of your contact click on whatever link, and then convert as a lead. You want to know
How many times did he click on this one or this one?
how many times.
And if
Yeah.
if he clicked, let's say, on this topic and this topic, I want to send him an email.
Yeah, that's something you can do. That, as I say, with the UTMs, so you can automate. You can create campaigns.
Yeah.
I can show it to you also based on UTMs. So let's take back my first campaign from the exercise. I was, okay, this one. For example, I can add another field saying, okay, I just want to enroll of the people who's the campaign field here. So which is campaign name is the name of the campaign. For example, a Facebook post, okay?
Yeah.
You do that, and then, of course, it will be 0 record for me. But all the people who have clicked on your Facebook post, registered, and then registered as a lead, they will receive that kind of targeted campaign. So you can send a campaign related to the previous post on Facebook, for example. Okay?
clicking on the product page or...
He's talking about links in an email.
Yeah, it's links on email on different channels. For example, emails, Facebook post, tweets, something like that.
With GDPR in mind, I can't use email anymore. I can't just send out emails to persons that didn't approve.
From Odoo?
If we have GDPR
Yeah.
next month, next year, then I can just send out emails to people. I can't do that anymore.
Okay, I wasn't aware of that.
Not allowed.
Okay. Yeah, of course. Okay, you mean for
By default, everybody's up down.
you mean for outbound campaigns? Okay. Yeah. Okay.
So
Yeah,
I
that's
can't use email anymore to do campaigns.
not for
I have to use
outbound.
the website to do
Yeah.
campaigns.
You can use it for inbound strategies, no more for outbound. Yeah, but that's another topic. Yeah, of course.
Well, the topic is that you want to track people that come to your website.
If they come to your website
They
and
click on stuff on your website,
Uh-huh.
and now you want to record that.
yeah, but then you have to it has to be registered as a lead into your system.
Yeah, okay.
So if you register as a lead, there is
We downloaded a white paper for once, so I know
Th-
his email address.
but then you're allowed to send campaigns.
No.
If you put a ticking box saying okay, I acknowledge that I can receive emails, you'll have to change your strategy, of course. Yeah.
He's asking the question I've been asking for the last 3 years, which is, can you track somebody who visits a particular page on your website and then do some marketing automation action based upon the fact that you know that they visit?
Okay, depending on the version, yes, you can do it. That's something you can do. You can track the page and then see into the CRM what page has been visited. Based on that, you can also take the field, for example, page visited. I don't know if it's in here, but let's.
Based on version, what do you mean? Or in version 11?
I think if you're in version 8, maybe it's not. I don't know, but maybe in version 8 it's not the case. You know.
Taken out, that's the problem.
Oh, okay.
That's what I'm worried about.
Page visited. Does it exist somewhere?
Because it was part of the lead scoring.
Okay, not here. Why? Because I didn't create. I didn't install the website. It's linked to the website. If I install the website, the field page visited will be shown here.
Okay, it has to be on the Odoo website.
Yeah,
Sure.
yeah, with the Odoo website, yes, of course, not with the third-party CMS. Okay.
Just in terms of reporting, then after the campaigns, you showed a couple of
Yeah.
reporting elements.
Yeah.
Is it can we export this kind of stuff and then do what we want with that, or is it quite fixed?
What would you like to do with it?
Would like to maybe export all of the contacts that have been enrolled, knowing if they clicked, if they answered, and then I can use different time windows, all of this.
I don't. No, you cannot do that for the moment.
It's per campaign.
Sorry.
It's per campaign. Per campaign, you have your reporting.
Okay, but then you have to go into the CRM. Into the CRM, you can group by campaign. That's something because it's integrated with the CRM. For the sake of this example here, lead nurturing campaign, you have all the information within the CRM. Look, so yes, you can filter. Maybe not on the email clicked, but you can sort down group by campaigns and stuff like that within the CRM. Yeah. So the reporting is not within the marketing automation tool, but it's within the other app that we have used as a source for the campaign. Okay. Well, I think that's enough. We've been passing over the allowed time. So thank you for attending this talk.